IELTS students stay stuck at band 6. It is not because they lack ideas, but because of grammar. So, today I'll show you 5 simple grammar fixes that will instantly boost your IELTS writing and speaking score. Let's begin, and trust me, if you fix these, your English will sound smarter instantly. Tip 1 is tense consistency. Do not mix tenses. Now there are 2 sentences. People think pollution are increasing. And the other one is people think pollution is increasing. So the second sentence is correct. Remember, if you talk about present situation, use present tense. Tip 2. Subject verb agreement. Small mistakes, big impact. Now the sentences are people enjoys watching movies. And the second one is people enjoy watching movies. Always remember that you have to match verb with the subject. The examiners will notice this instantly. Tip 3, it is articles. A and the. These are tiny words, but they change your bands. People think it is a biggest problem. People think it is the biggest problem. So always remember, the has to be used with superlative degree and a and an are to be used with single countable nouns. Tip 4, conditionals. It shows accuracy and range. If I will study, I will pass. The second sentence is if I study, I will pass. So simple rule. Do not use will in the if part. Tip 5 is complex sentences. So to score 8 bands, we need complex sentences, not long ones but connected ones. The first sentence is technology is good, it helps people. The second sentence is although it helps people, it causes problems too. So use connectors like whereas, although, despite, however. Grammar isn't about perfection, it is about clarity. So fix these 5 things and your IELTS writing and speaking score improves instantly. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe Highbrow IELTS.